Here is an ordinary moon. On the count of 3, I'll make it disappear. 1, 2, 3. Oh, damn. If you're an evil genius and want to steal the moon, there's several problems you need to overcome. The moon is big, like really big. The moon is just over 3,000 kilometers across. That's the same as 1,000 polar bears touching nose to tail. Except where are you going to get that many polar bear spacesuits? So depending on what you want to do with the moon, you have several choices of what to do about the size of the moon. If you want to take it home, maybe you could shrink it, but hold onto your shrink rays because that's a really bad idea. You see, the moon is spinning, and when you make it smaller, it's going to start spinning faster to keep its momentum. It's like how ice skaters bring their arms in to make themselves spin faster. So good luck holding onto the moon as it spins. Maybe you just want to destroy the moon. You could just blow it up if you have enough explosives. Whatever your evil plan is, you'll have to deal with problem number 2. As well as being big, the moon is very heavy. It's 73,000 million kilograms. I'm not even going to attempt to put that into context, plus the polar bears are busy. Let's say it's about 1% of the weight of the Earth. Maybe you could use a big tractor beam to pull it away, but you need a big enough tractor beam that it would make Darth Vader jealous. So let's just skip to the next problem. Even if you have a small moon, you've got to stop its momentum. It's not like catching a ball. The moon is going fast with a lot of weight. Bear in mind that Venus was hit by an asteroid so hard that it spins backward, but it still had so much momentum that it's still going around the sun. Maybe instead of trying to smash something into the moon, you could use the gravity of something really heavy to pull it out of its orbit. And that's it, you've done it, you've stolen the moon. You can now put it on your shelf next to your trophy for World's Strongest Shelf. Some people might notice that you've stolen the moon when it doesn't show up at night, but there's a few other effects too. The ocean tides would pretty much stop, so goodbye crabs. Animals hunting at night would have a hard time seeing. Finally, our seasons depend on the Earth being slightly tilted, but without the moon, the Earth's tilt would go crazy, so all the seasons would change. So anyway, there's some things you should keep in mind before stealing the moon. But if you can steal the moon,
reach for the stars, as I said to my good friend Elon Musk. And then he shot his car into space. What a weird creep.